Kim violates labor laws as workers take out lawsuits stating weren't properly paid or given breaks. Welcome back to Binge-Worthy Network. Kim Kardashian has found herself in the headlines once again, and this time it's because of violating labor laws. Here is how the KUWTK star may be facing legal issues. But before we jump in, hit that like and subscribe button to be notified and updated on the latest Hollywood drama and news. It seems like the Kardashian-Jenner clan just can't get away from the spotlight, because as the days go by, the reality TV family finds itself in even more legal trouble. Just recently, it was exposed that the billionaire and the KKW Beauty founder, Kim Kardashian, has been found guilty of violating labor laws. And here's the story of how Kanye West's ex-wife has been called out by her previous staff and employees. On May the 25th, a lawsuit was filed in the Los Angeles County Superior Court by Kim's former employees. The 7 former workers accused Kardashian of violating California labor laws. The lawsuit and the complaints were exposed by the Los Angeles Times. The online publication states the names of the 7 former employees, as well as sharing the exact reasons for filing the legal lawsuits. The LA Times posted on their website, Andrew Ramirez, his brother Christopher Ramirez, and son Andrew Ramirez Jr., Aaron Cabrera, Rene Ernesto Flores, Jesse Fernandez, and Robert Araiza, who worked on the property as gardeners and maintenance staff, claimed Kardashian withheld taxes from their wages without furnishing those amounts to the government. They also alleged Kardashian did not pay for overtime, did not allow meal and rest breaks, and required a 16-year-old on the crew to surpass the 48 weekly working hours allowed for one his age. One plaintiff claims when he raised some of these issues, he was fired. The Los Angeles Times goes on to break down the 10-point employee complaint, which alleges that plaintiffs were not paid on regular periods, were not given their required meal and rest breaks, were not provided a means to record all their hours, were not paid all their hours, were not reimbursed for employment expenses, were not paid all their overtime wages, and were not paid their wages upon termination of employment. In addition, plaintiff Andrew Ramirez was terminated when he inquired about his rights as an employee, and plaintiff Andrew Ramirez Jr. was employed as a 16-year-old minor, but worked longer than the maximum hours allowed to be worked by minors under the labor code. But that's not all the publications had to share, because according to the plaintiff's attorney, Frank Kim, here is how Kim Kardashian's celebrity status and wealth plays into the violations. Wage theft and other workplace violations are a widespread problem in Los Angeles. My firm is currently investigating other potential violations against these defendants, as well as other powerful families and businesses on behalf of everyday workers. As you can see, Kim Kardashian has been called out and exposed for neglecting her former employees and not giving them the proper pay. But now let's see how the reality TV star and her representatives feel about the lawsuit. A spokesperson for the KKW Beauty founder shared to Page 6, "These workers were hired and paid through a third-party vendor hired by Kim to provide ongoing services. Kim is not party to the agreements made between the vendor and their workers, therefore she is not responsible for how the vendor manages their business and the agreements they have made directly with their staff. Kim has never not paid a vendor for their services and hopes that the issue between these workers and the vendor who hired them can be amicably resolved soon." Another close friend of the mother of 4 went on to share to Page 6, "She does not have a history of not paying her bills on time. Never has and never will. She takes a lot of pride in paying people on time for their work, so this issue has nothing to do with her, and these workers are suing the wrong person." The lawyer for the employees was very careful not to include Kim's name in his statement or directly mention any claims against her, because he knows these employees never worked directly for Kim, only through a third-party vendor. As you can imagine, the internet had a field day when they found out that the billionaire and reality TV star has been exposed for not paying her employees. Many fans took to social media platforms to share their anger and frustration at the mother of 4. Here is how the public reacted to Kim Kardashian's new lawsuit. Kim Kardashian is being sued by her household staff for neither paying them properly nor treating them decently. The lawsuit contends Kim Kardashian treated her workers worse than she treated Kris Humphries for the 72 days of their marriage. Good! People shouldn't be able to get away with this kind of thing because of their celebrity status. So, she's pretending she didn't notice that these employees were working long hours without breaks on her property? Again, this is shameful for the law student to be taking advantage of her employees. Wealth doesn't make her above the law, and she needs to do the right thing. Simple. As you can see, the fans and the general public were upset to see the billionaire and the Hollywood A-lister seemingly take advantage of her employees. But surprisingly enough, this isn't the only lawsuit and legal battle Kim Kardashian and the reality TV family is currently facing. For over 4 years now, the stars of Keeping Up with the Kardashians have been going head-to-head with model and Rob's ex-fiancée, Blac Chyna. This legal battle started in 2017 after Kris Jenner apparently corroborated the cancellation of the reality TV show Rob and Chyna. Ever since the Kardashian family has put a damper on Chyna's reputation, Rob's ex-fiancé has been on the hunt to take down the reality TV family. Year after year, die-hard KUWTK fans have seen the mother of two win legal cases and lawsuits against the billionaire family. And it's not entirely a coincidence. With hard proof evidence and major support from her legal team, Chyna has been on the road to complete victory. And here's how Rob Kardashian's ex-fiancée and the mother of Dream Kardashian has managed to defeat and successfully go against the Keeping Up with the Kardashians clan. As shared by Page 6, among Chyna's allegations is a claim that Kris Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner secretly defamed Chyna and illegally interfered with Chyna's highly lucrative contract with the E! Network/NBC Universal. Their alleged illegal interference caused the cancellation of Rob and Chyna. Bunham/Murray must produce the unaired Season 2 of Rob and Chyna and Keeping Up with the Kardashians footage to Chyna within 45 days. The judge also ruled that unaired footage from Keeping Up with the Kardashians filmed in March 2017 must also be handed over. The unaired KUWTK footage shows Chyna and Rob working on their relationship and co-parenting their daughter, Dream Kardashian. Lynn Chyna, who is Blac Chyna's personal attorney, has opened up to online publications and magazine tabloids about her client has been winning case after case. Lynn shared, Rob Kardashian is an abuser intent on destroying Angela White, the mother of his baby, who left him in 2016. In revenge, the Kardashian-Jenner family became media predators, slut-shaming her on social media and killing her hit television show, which had already begun filming a second season. The evidence reportedly corroborated Chyna's claim that Kris Jenner, who's often called a momager, lied about an accusation that Chyna beat the S out of Rob's face, then used that alleged fabrication to get the show cancelled. Chyna also proved that although Kris Jenner was the ringleader for the plot to get Season 2 of Rob and Chyna cancelled, Kim Kardashian West, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner each separately defamed and intentionally interfered with Chyna's contract for Season 2. So, all three daughters face a trial by jury for their illegal conduct against Chyna. And it looks like Blac Chyna has come up with another victory. It was reported by Page 6 in late April of 2021 that the legal court case against the Kardashian clan was set to begin in November of 2021. But now, according to new changes, Chyna will go head-to-head with the reality TV family a bit earlier than the original set date. As it was later shared by Chyna's lawyer, she is thrilled to have her legal battles moved up to October of this year, as stated by Page 6. Originally scheduled to begin on November the 29th, 2021, the defamation and economic interference trial over the cancellation of the model's former reality series, Rob and Chyna, will now start on October the 18th, 2021, Page 6 has confirmed. Chyna, 32, is thrilled by the date change. Her attorney, Lynn Chyna, told us in a statement. Expected to take the stand over the course of the 10-day trial are Chyna, Kris Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, Kylie Jenner, Rob Kardashian, Ryan Seacrest, NBC Universal exec Frances Berwick, WME agent Lance Klein, attorney Walter Mosley, Bunham-Murray executives, and other NBC Universal and E! executives. As you see, the Kardashian-Jenner clan is no stranger to lawsuits and legal battles. The interesting fact is that the Kardashian family has been on a losing streak. This may come as a shock and surprise to most die-hard fans because everyone expected the billionaire clan to have the best lawyers and attorneys at their side. But looking at Blac Chyna's victories and her celebrations, we may even suspect that Kim Kardashian may also lose her recent lawsuit against her former employees. Which is why it will be very interesting to follow Kim K's battle against her ex-workers and her employees. And if you don't want to miss out on any updates, make sure you subscribe to our channel. But what do you think about this situation? Will Kim Kardashian lose her recent lawsuit? Do you think Blac Chyna actually has a chance to win over the Kardashian-Jenners? Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications and share this video with your friends. Goodbye, everyone.